Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of a gun video, we're going to do some Battlefield videos because of the new Battlefield 6 beta that came out. Super excited for it. I'm a gamer, I'm a gun guy as well, in the military as well. But I'm super excited for Battlefield 6, so we're going to play a little bit of Battlefield right now. This is just a test range on Battlefield 4. I'm practicing my helicopter skills. I used to fly the Little Bird a lot. I'm hoping I can get back into it in Battlefield 6. So let's get to it. I'm just going to fly around. Not really doing anything, but maybe we'll shoot one of these vehicles here. Dead. Let's fly to this tower over here. See what's up with that. So, as you can see, the controls on the helicopter in Battlefield 4 are nice and responsive. It's absolutely insane. Pretty much night and day difference between this and the helicopter in the Battlefield 6 beta. Yeah, the Battlefield 6 beta one, the controls were a little clunky. I felt like you couldn't really move as well as in Battlefield 4. So hopefully they change that. That's something I do want to see is Battlefield 4 helicopter mechanics. The Battlefield 4 helicopter mechanics is even better than in Battlefield 3, in my opinion. The Battlefield 3 was a little bit slow. The helicopters would fly a little bit slow, and not as responsive as this. I think this is the best helicopter to fly in the, I guess, more recent Battlefield series. We're going to land here. So you can see, this is the AH-6J Little Bird. Amazing little helicopter. It is the most maneuverable helicopter. The Z-11W, which is on the other team, so this is the US team, the Z-11 being, I think, Russian team. It's got a longer tail on the back of it, so you can't really fly it through buildings and whatnot. You know, if you're that skilled. So yeah, I always try to pick the team with the best helicopter in it. Sometimes, let me try it, but sometimes you can fly through here, but I'm not sure I can do that. Let's see it. There we go. A little rough, but, you know, I can still get it. I've always tried to land on here every time I got into the test range, but I've never been able to. I just think I don't think there's enough space to land a Little Bird on it. I have landed it on one of these before, but it's a little difficult to do. See if we can do it. Nope, it will not let us today. Alright, let's do some target shooting. So we're going to shoot these oil cans here, or whatever they are. So there's that. How many more? One more here. And I think there's one more. Where? Oh, two more. So we got all of them. Just gonna fly around this track right here. This paved out road. Trying to be as accurate as possible. But sometimes it doesn't work out perfectly. That's fine. There's a UAV over here. Let's go shoot it down. So right now I'm running the 7.62 minigun, and on my other one I have guided missile. I think it's only for the guided missiles, only for land vehicles, so like tanks, or maybe not. Is that it? Oh, land and sea vehicles. So I'm gonna shoot that. You can let go of the target and then lock back on. So that's one strategy you can do. Is you lock onto them, fire, and you detach, so it gets them to fire their flares sometimes. And then you lock back on, and the missile will come back and strike it. So if you keep it locked while you shoot, the enemy can hear the missile incoming and deploy their flares. But if you trick them with this lock, shoot, unlock, you can get them to prematurely deploy their flares and then lock back on and get that hit on target. Let's go back to the UAV. So this is the UAV. It's a little ugly looking in my opinion. Let's try to land on it, yeah? Shall we try to land on it? It's going to be very difficult, but it is doable. It didn't work that time, but I swear, I promise we'll get it. Ooh, that was closer. It's right above us. I can see it on the mini-map here. It's over this way. Are we too high? Yeah, we are. We're gonna come back down to it. I thought it was flying higher, to be honest. Nope. Alright, I don't think it's gonna work. I've done it once before. We're just gonna fly around again and maybe do some tricks. Fly through there. Fly through there. Fly through here as well. And we took a hit on our tail rotor. So let's repair. Also, I think the repair mechanism in the Battlefield 6 and the Battlefield 4 is like very similar. I think the repair on Battlefield 6 might be a little bit faster. I'm not 100% certain. Because what I have noticed is on different servers in Battlefield 4, I think there might be a setting in there you can change like the helicopter respawn rates and the repair mechanics. So some servers you might be able to repair vehicles faster than others, some slower. Also another trick, guys, is if you shoot down an enemy pilot, right, and you take their helicopter, it won't launch right away. Okay, what you can do is either two things: get in, hop out, then hop back in, and it'll automatically lift off. Or what you can do is enter, change seats, change back to the driver's seat, and then it'll immediately launch. So you don't have to sit there waiting for the engine to spool up. If you guys are interested, I will show you my helicopter settings as well. It's the most intuitive way of piloting, in my opinion. I used to pilot Battlefield, the Little Bird, on PlayStation 3 when I was playing Battlefield 4 on there. It's similar controls. So let's go into the settings real quick. And then options, keybinds, and we're going to go to helicopter. So what I have is throttle up is W, throttle down is S. So basically that's pretty self-explanatory. If you hit W or hold W, your helicopter will go up, and S, your helicopter will go down. So we're not worried about the joystick right now, at least for mouse and keyboard. But yaw right, I have it on my mouse, so if I pull my mouse to the right, then it'll yaw right, and then left, it'll go left. Pitch up and down is irrelevant right now. That's your arrow keys on your keyboard. I don't use those at all. But what you want is yaw right, pretty much turns right, yaw left, turns left. Pitch down is when you pull your mouse down, the helicopter will look down, and the same is true for up. Now roll, you want to remove the mouse settings on there, and you want to have D and A for roll and roll right and roll left. So that's what I have it now. It's the most intuitive that I've found. So it'll help you be an amazing helo pilot. Shoot some targets real quick. Oh, hit the tree. So we're gonna shoot these without touching the ground. These man targets here. Some over here too. I'll get back to this. So the objective is just not touch the ground. I think there's two more. So as you can see there, I'm not the best at aiming anymore because I used to pilot the helicopter way back in the day, probably 2014, 2015 is when I was playing. I built my first PC, and I was so addicted to the helicopters in there. I did that all the time, but don't really pilot anymore. But because Battlefield 6 is coming back out, I got to get back into it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show off some helicopter piloting skills a little bit, and show you my controls and settings, give you some tips and whatnot. Just a spur of the moment kind of video. So, alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.